Hi, this is Christy from the Goshen Library. Today I'm going to show you how to create a slip knot and make a simple chain with crochet. Then we are going to learn how to do a single crochet, a double crochet, and a half double crochet. Let's begin. So today we're going to start with a medium weight yarn, which would be a size 4. And the hook that I'm using today is a size 5 millimeter, and this is a H size hook. And I like the ones that have the point and the point here. They're a lot easier to use when you're learning to crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. What I like to do is make like what I call, it looks like a little ribbon here. And depending on which side your long tail is on, depends on whether you take this and put it in the front or the back. If it's in the back, then you're going to bring it through the front. And if it's in the front, you'll bring it through the back. So just bring it through, make a loop, and then pull it too. Then you're going to take your hook and put it in that loop, and you're going to pull it tight. And what I like to do is hook it around my fingers and make like a scissor with my 2 fingers, and then take my second finger and my thumb to hold the tail. So what I do is I lay it down to grab your yarn and let this hand do a lot of the work as well with the hook. And then you're going to pull it through and you've made a chain. So you just keep doing that as you go through. And what we'll do is I will show you as well how to make a single crochet. So if you're going to make, we'll say like you're going to make a dishcloth. So what you would do is your pattern will tell you to make a single crochet in the second chain from your hook. You don't count the one that your hook is on, but you'll count the next one here. So that was 1 and 2. So for a single crochet, you're going to put it in the stitch, grab your yarn, bring it through your stitch, and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and then pull that through both loops. And that is a single crochet. So you're going to do that all the way across. So put it through the stitch, grab your yarn, grab it again, and go through, and you've made another single crochet. So you're going to do that all the way down through here. And this is a single crochet, and you could actually make a dishcloth by just going through, yarning over, and then going through both loops. So you just do that all the way down until you get to the end. And when you get all the way to the end of your work, you're going to turn it and then chain 1. So what you do is you would turn it and you would chain 1, and then you'll just see how you can see the stitches at the top here. You're going to put it through the next stitch through both of those loops, grab your yarn, yarn over, and go through both of those. And do the same thing in the next one. And grab it, and then yarn over and pull through both. And you would do that all the way across, and each time you get to the end, you turn your work, and then you'll just do a chain 1. Next, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. Same concept. You're going to count 2 stitches over. This time you're going to yarn over, go through your stitch, grab your yarn, you're going to yarn over and go through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. So you yarn over, go into your stitch, grab that yarn, yarn over, and then go through all 3. Same thing, just do the same thing over and over again. The only difference with this one at the end of your row is what you're going to do. Instead of a chain 1, you're going to do a chain 2. So you'll chain 2, yarn over, go in your next 2 stitches there, pull it through, yarn over, and go through both. And you would do the same thing going back the opposite way. And the next stitch we have is a double crochet. So same concept, you're going to count over 2 from the hook, Go into that one, yarn over, pull through just 2 of those, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Same thing, next stitch, yarn over, go through your stitch, pull it up, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. You just repeat that till you get to the end of your row. And the same thing as you did with your half double, because you can see this one's bigger than the half double or the single crochet. You're going to do a chain 2 as well, and then go into this, yarn over and go into the stitch the same way. And there you have it. You have a single, a half double, and a double crochet.